Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can remove the continue watching on your Disney Plus. So if you scroll down and you're going to see this continue watching tab right here, and if you want to remove continue watching from here, unfortunately Disney Plus does not have a direct method to remove the continue watching, but there is a way around that you can remove this. What you can do is you can simply play whatever you are watching, and you can go to the very last season and very last episode of that, and if you're watching a movie you can simply play it from the very end, and then you can go to the very end of it, and now when it is finished you can simply go back to your home screen, and now when you are going to scroll down, the continue watching will be gone from here. So this is a hack and a way around to to just remove your continue watching. Unfortunately Disney Plus does not provide any option to remove that, unlike other platforms. So I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.